Hi guys, hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you how you can convert an image into an editable data. I ran into this problem that I took a snapshot of the employee data and sent it over to a colleague. After that, I had some problems with my computers and I had to delete some of the files, or my files got deleted. Anyway, I lost the data. Then I searched through my emails, and this was the only snapshot of the available data that I had. Instead of me sitting there and having to re-enter all this data and the other data I have in the other screenshots I took, I rather take a slightly different approach. Okay, and this is very cool. All you got to do is open Microsoft Excel, and you open an blank Excel workbook, and then in that sheet that you have open in Microsoft Excel, you need to go and insert the picture and convert that into a data. In order to do that, you need to first of all click on the tab that reads Data. In the Data tab, you click on I want to insert data from picture. You click on From Picture option, and then you click on Picture from File if you have it saved in a file. If you have the picture saved in a clipboard, let's say you copied it from someplace else and you paste it over here, you can just choose Clipboard. So I'm choosing Picture from File. Once I click that option, I can go to the location where my picture is saved. I can click on my picture and click Insert. Now Microsoft Excel analyzes the picture and it converts it into data. However, it did find in this particular case a few items that it wants me to review before I insert it. So when I say I want to insert data, it right away says there are 6 items that needs to be reviewed. So I can click on Review, and it takes me to those items one by one. I'm like, I'm okay with that. The last name is okay, I'll accept that. First name is okay, I'll accept that. Status is okay. And like that, I can go through all the items. Now here, I can make some changes. I want it to be without any spaces, and I accept it. Now it says no more items are there to be reviewed. And I can close that or click on accept again. And now I can insert data. And you're responsible for validating the accuracy of all data. That's a little warning I get, and I said okay, insert data, and here I have all the data. Okay, you can double click on the columns where you see these hashtags. It pretty much means that the column width is not large enough to show the data, so I can double click and it will auto adjust all these things. Now all of this data that you see over here, I can edit, I can make changes to it. As you can see, all of this data is editable, and I can simply, treat it like a regular data. So anyway, let me know in the comment section below how you like our today's tutorial, and if this was helpful, I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, guys, take care. Bye-bye.